Bulletin, and the visa bulletin information has come out for the month of March today. So for those of you who don't know, visa bulletin indicates the green card numbers that are presently being filed. So if your number is in the visa bulletin and it is that number or after that number, then you can file. Sorry, after that or that number or before that number, sorry, you can file. So for example, and there are several categories in the visa bulletin. There is employment-based categories, EB1, EB2, and EB3. There's family-based categories. So you have to go to the bulletin and look at your appropriate category. So we're only going to be talking about employment-based because that has been the hot topic and there has been movement, and I think our viewers will be interested in knowing that with reference to the March visa bulletin, the EB2 India dates have moved up by 4 months. So now if your priority date is January 1, 2013 or earlier, so actually it's moved from January to May 1, 2013. So if your priority date is May 1, 2013 under EB2 or earlier, then you can file your 485. And the 485 gives you a lot of benefits. It ultimately gives you the green card. But while the 485 is pending, it gives you employment authorization, it gives you advance parole, which allows you to travel, and you can also transfer your employer under AC21 if you qualify and if you have the similar or same job. So a lot of benefits for filing a 485. Also, make sure that you are not restricted by your H1 visa. You don't have to be on a H1. There are a lot of restrictions on a H1, wage restrictions, employment restrictions, which are not there when you file a 485. So the visa bulletin is extremely important, and for the month of March for EB2, it has moved forward by 4 months, and EB3 remains unchanged for India, and EB2 and EB3 for China also remains unchanged. So rapid forward movement of EB2, it was 6 months movement last month. The February visa bulletin showed a 6 months EB2 forward movement. The March visa bulletin is showing a 4 months forward movement. We're expecting rapid forward movement with the visa bulletin.